What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your 19 and up Ram today. Basically the same steps as any wiper blade replacement, but just in case people think that there's anything special to it or anything, I'm just going to quickly show you step by step. Very simple. Alright, so both sides are going to be the same, at least on this truck. They should both be 20-inch wiper blades. I'll post a couple different options in the video description if you want to purchase wiper blades online. Should be, like I said, 20-inch on both sides. You're going to lift the arm, tip this back, and you should see a little tab right here. You're just going to push it in and slide the wiper off. You might have to give it a wiggle, but you can see it just slides right off. Now don't let this go. It can snap down and crack your windshield. You want to slowly let it go, and by all means don't turn the ignition on or turn your wipers on without a wiper blade, because these metal hooks will scratch your windshield big time. And then to install the new wiper blades, it's going to be the same steps. Obviously, depending on what wipers you get, there will be different attachments and everything. They should say on the back what style. This is just your typical J hook, the smaller size. So to put them on, just going to be reverse. You'll see there's kind of a rounded end, and then there's the end with the little locking tab. So we want the rounded end is going to face this rounded end. So the locking tab's going to face towards the windshield basically. So we're just going to go ahead, slide it underneath, and you hear that click. Make sure you pull it up and down to make sure it's locked in place. Slowly let the wiper back down, and you're done. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.